श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लाम्बरधरम् विष्णुम् शशिवर्णम् चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनम् ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। यस्य द्विरदवक्त्राद्या पारिषद्या परस्ततम् विघ्नम् निघ्नन्ति सततम् विश्वक्सेनम् तमाश्रये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वसुदेवसुतम् देवम् कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णम् वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Bhagavan's praise, we came up to slokam number 30. Lelihyase grasamanah samantal lokan samagran vadanaihi jvaladbihi तेजोभिः आपूर्य जगत् समग्रं भासः तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णु। श्लोकम नंबर 31. Who are you in this frightening, awesome form? Tell me. I pray to you. The best among the Devas, grace me. I want to know you, the origin. I am not able to understand your actions. Akyahi me ko bhavan ugrarupo namostute devavara prasida vijnatum ichchami bhavantam आद्यम नहि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम। आख्याहि में को भवान उग्र रूपो नमोस्तुते देववर प्रसीद विज्ञातुम इच्छामि भवन्तम आद्यम नहि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम। And Arjuna asked, Bhagavan, who are you? And this time a beautiful thing takes place when, let me tell you after this, explaining this slokam, what happens. So padangal are, akya, he, me, kaha, bhavan, ugra rupaha, namaha astu te, devavara prasida, vijnatum ichchami bhavantam आद्यम न हि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम। Ugra Rupaha, with this intense form, and that creates fear in Arjuna, right, as he has been describing. Bhavan is an address that is made with tremendous respect. It is not just you. It is you when you address the person, like when we address the elders, in plurality, right? It is tremendous respect it's used to, when you say Bhavan. Bhavan, you, Kaha, who, Ugrarupaha, Kaha, Bhavan, who are you? Me Akyahi, me to me Akyahi. Tell me, me akyahi, tell me. Te, to you, namaha astu. Namaha is namaskaram, na mama, not me. With that feeling when we say, astu, so be it. I offer that my namaskarams to you. Devavara, the best, the most exalted among all the devas. Bhavan, prasida, grace me, grace me. Adhyam, the beginning. Bhavantam, you. Again, Bhavantam is another form of Bhavan with the respectful address, worshipful address of saying you. Bhavantam, Adhyam Bhavantam, the beginning that you are. Vijnatum, to understand, to know, more than understanding, to know. Ichchami, desire. I desire. Tava, your pravrittim, your actions, I want to understand, I want to know them. tava, your pravrittim, all the actions, na prajanamihi. In fact, in truth, I cannot fathom it. I don't understand it. So when Arjuna says, Kaha Bhavan, then at that time, Bhagavan walks up to him, caresses him on his cheek, on his back. Arjuna, you have seen all that you wanted to see? Are you satisfied? He is asking. With a very nice, beautiful smile on his face. Krishna, just like the mother, because Arjuna asked it and he got the Vishwarupa darshan. And now he is bewildered. So Bhagavan goes to him and caresses him, speaks to him so lovingly and in such an assuring manner. And Sri Bhagavan Uvacha 32. It says, I am the powerful time dissolving and controlling all the worlds. Even without your action, all the enemy warriors will not live. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmi Lokachaya Kriti Pravruddho Lokan Samahartum Hiya Pravruttaha Rutepi Tvam Nabhavishyanti Sarve Ye Vastitaha Pratyanikeshu Yodaha. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmi Lokachaya Kriti Pravruddho Lokan Samahartum Iha Pravruttaha Rutepi Tvam Nabhavishyanti Sarve Ye Vastitaha Pratyanikeshu Yodaha. Padangal Ashri Bhagavan Uvacha Loka Kalaha Asmi Loka Chaya Kriti Pravruddhaha. It is very important. Pravruddhaha, and the one that comes later is Pravruttaha. Okay? I hope you note the difference. Pravruddhaha Lokan Samahartum Hiha Pravruttaha. Rutepi Tvam. Rute api Tvam. Na bhavishyanti. Sarve ye avastitaha pratyanikeshu yodaha. Bhagavan said, Loka Chayakrite, Loka Chayakrite. We said Akshayam, Aksharam, we have seen that before. So Chayam means to decline, to dissolve, and ultimately to disappear. So Loka Chayakrite, to keep the world in balance. Because if things that appear do not disappear, then very soon you're out of balance, right? If, for example, we live forever, how will that be? It's like everything has got to, beginning has to have an end. Otherwise, there is no balance. So, Chaya in this case really talks about destroying or dissolution, but ultimately it's really to keep the prosperity and the balance, to sustain the balance of the world. Loka Chaya Krute. Pravruddhaha, that means here very powerful, most powerful. Kalaha, Asmi, Kalaha, time, Asmi, I am, it's not existing, it's like I'm manifesting myself as time. And you can imagine the power of time, right? And how time keeps everything in balance, whether it is not only our bodies and all that, but also our feelings and thoughts. Everything comes back to balance. And with the time is the best remedy, as they say. Lokan, all the world. Samahartum. Samahartum means to bring it under control, to dissolve it, right? Iha, here, pravruttaha, I've come. It is the pravruttaha, that is my action. The previous slokam also the same word come, pravrittihi. So pravruttaha, that is my action. Tvam rute api, very important. Tvam rute api. Even if you are not there, that's what its meaning is. Tvam, you, rute api, even if you are not being present. Now what does it mean? Without whether Arjuna takes any action or not, the people belonging to Arjuna's side in the war also are going to be killed. That is what Arjuna himself saw in the Viswarupa. So this is an obvious thing that Arjuna did not take any effort, but his own people were getting killed. So Bhagavan says, Tvam Rute Api, even without your involvement, okay? Pratyani Keshu, in the army of the enemy, Ye Yodaha, which warriors, Avastitaha, have gathered together, Sarve, all of them, Na Bhavishyanti, they will not live. Bhavishyanti means to live. We say Dirghashman Bhava, like that we give some blessings, right? Bhava means to live. But Na Bhavishyanti means they will not live. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kalosmi Loka Chayakrit Pravruddho Lokan Samahartum Iha Pravruttaha Rutepi Tvam Na Bhavishyanti Sarve Ye Vastitaha Pratyanikeshu Yodaha. 33. Therefore, Bhagavan continues, get up, earn fame, vanquish the enemies and enjoy the wealth and the kingdom. All these warriors have already been killed by me. My dear ambidextrous archer, just experience being the instrument in my hand. Very important to remember, because Bhagavan has shown him what exactly is happening. So he is asking him now. Tasmat tvam uttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun pungshva rajyam samruddham maya yeve yete nihataha purvameva nimittamatram bhava savyasachin. Tasman tvam uttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun pungshva rajyam samruddham maya eva yete nihataha purvameva nimittamatram bhava savyasachin. Padangal are tasmat tvam uttishta yashaha labhasva jitva shatrune bhungshva rajyam samruddham maya eva yete nihataha maya eva, not maya, maya eva yete nihataha purvameva nimittamatram bhava savyasachin. Tasmat, therefore, tvam, you, uttishta, get up. That's a very important instruction from the Lord, that applies to all of us in all situations. We must always get up and not have a defeatist attitude. Tvam uttishta. Yashaha labhasva. Yashaha, fame. The fame that comes from right conduct, or the fame that comes from doing one's duty, the fame that comes from dharmic behavior, dharmic conduct. Labhasva, attain that fame. Shatrune, the warriors, the enemies, jitva, vanquish them. Then, what happens after that? Samruddham. Samruddham means wealth. Rajyam, the kingdom. Bhungshva, enjoy. Maya eva, by me only, not by anybody else. Maya eva. Eva means that's the only one. Maya eva, only by me. Okay? No, nobody else. Maya eva, purvameva, in the past, it's already done. Purvameva, maya eva, by me only, in the past only, yete, these people, all these warriors, yete, nihataha, have been killed. Savyasachin means ambidextrous. That means Arjuna had the unique gift of not only fighting, operating the bow and arrow with his right hand, but he could also do it equally well with the left hand. Okay, with both hands, he was equally dexterous. That's why Savyasachin means. Savyasachin, nimittamatram bhava. Experience being the instrument in my hand. People translate, be an instrument in my hand. No, we are his instrument, Bhagavan's instrument, because he chooses to use us, then we operate. He doesn't choose to use us, we don't operate, period. But then, if I experience of being his instrument, that is what Bhagavan says, Bhava, Nimitta Matram, Bhava, experience, being my instrument. They've already been killed. Okay, now you can go and kill them, okay, and see what happens and on my behalf. And this is Bhagavan is going to summarize this beautifully in the last sloka. Okay, very important concept. Not concept, very important teaching, and very important education and revelation. Tasmat samuttishta yasho labhasva jitva shatrun bhunshva rajyam samruddham mayaivaite nihata purvameva nimittamatram bhava savyasachin. 34. Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna and other warriors have already been killed by me. You can kill them now. Do not be worried. Vanquish the enemies in battle. Fight. The very first thing that Arjuna did when he was confused and deluded, Bhagavan, how he has taught him, and then he's finally instructing him what to do. Right? Dronam cha, Bhishmam cha, Jayadratham cha, Karnam tata anyan api yodhaviran maya hatamsvam jahima vyatishta yudhyasva jetasi rane sapatnane. Dronam cha, Bhishmam cha, Jayadratham cha, Karnam tata anyan api yodhaviran maya hatamsvam jahima vyatishta yudhyasva jetasi rane sapatnane. Patangal are Dronam cha, Bhishmam cha, Jayadratham cha, Karnam tata anyan api yodhaviran maya atane tvam jahi ma vyatishta yudhyasva jetasi rane sapatnane. Dronam cha, Dronar, and Bhishmam cha, and Bhishmar, Jayadrathan cha, and Jayadrathan. Who is Jayadrathan, for your information? Dhritarashtra had one daughter, 100 sons and one daughter. The daughter's name is Ducchalai. And the Ducchalai's husband is Jayadrathan, and sworn enemy of Krishna. Okay? And very great warriors. All these warriors that Bhagavan is describing here, Dronacharya, Bhishmacharya, Jayadrathan, Karnan, they're all exalted, highly skilled, very powerful warriors whom Arjuna had great respect for. Okay? So Karnan and also, Tata and Anyan api, others also, Yodhaviran, the courageous, skillful warriors, Maya hatane, have already been killed by me. Tvam jahi, now you go and kill them. They've already been killed. That's because I am time, right? Bhagavan says I am time. Time takes care of everything. And so, Tvam jahi, you go and kill them. Ma vyatishtaha, do not be afraid and do not be sad and worried. Okay, vyatishtaha, ma vyatishtaha, rane, in the battle, sapatnan, enemies, jetasi, vanquish them, be victorious over them, yudhyasva, go engage in battle, go fight. Dronam cha, Bhishmam cha, Jayadratham cha, Karnam tathanyanapi yodhaviran maya hatamstvam jahima vyatishta yudhyasva jetasi rane sapatnan. Sanjaya Uvacha. Now Bhagavan has given his Viswarupam and given the confidence. The interesting thing is Bhagavan gives Viswarupam as Ugra Rupam to Arjuna. But for other different people, he has given different forms of Viswarupam. Okay, Viswarupam is not only this. It is what the Bhagavan decides to manifest to his devotee. What he wants his devotee to experience is what he gives. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya said, Slokam number 35. Hearing Kesava's command, the frightened Arjuna, surrendering his mind and heart, with his hands folded in respectful worship, spoke in scared and emotion-charged voice. Sanjaya Uvacha. Etat Shrutva Vachanam Kesavasya Kritanjalim Vepamanaha Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Evaha Krishna Sagat Gatam Bhita Bhitaha Pranamya. Sanjaya Uvacha. Etat Shrutva Vachanam Kesavasya Kritanjalihi Vepamanaha Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Evaha Krishna Jagat Gatam Bhita Bhitaha Pranamya. Padangal are Sanjaya Uvacha. Etat Srutva Vachanam Keshavasya Kruta Anjalihi Vepamanaha Kiriti Namaha Krutva Bhuya Eva Aha Krishna Sagat Gatam Bhita Bhitaha Pranamya. Evaha Eva Aha. That's why you get Eva Aha, not Aha. Then Etat Kesavasya Kesavas Etat Vachanam, these words, this command that Bhagavan just gave him, Yuddhasva, Tvam Jahi, all these things he has heard now, clear instructions, go do it. There's nothing confusing about this. So now, Etat Shrutva Kesavasya Etat Vachanam Shrutva, having heard, Vepamanaha, scared, shivering. Okay. Kiriti denotes Arjuna. Why is it called? Because he was given by Indra when he went to the heavens before the war began. He was given one special crown, Kritam. So because Arjuna was wearing it, he is called Kiriti. Kiriti Arjuna. Kritanjalihi, Krita Anjalihi, doing namaskaram with your hands folded. Okay? Then namaskritva, doing namaskaram. Bhita Bhitaha, very much afraid. Remember, he is already Vepamanaha and he is already very much afraid. Both in mind and heart, and the whole body is shivering, the experience that he has had. Pranamya, again, worshipping Bhagavan. Bhuya Eva, again and again. Sagat Gatam, in emotion charged voice. The voice is not clear. It is highly emotion charged. Okay, not like crying, but highly emotional voice. Krishnam, addressing Krishna, spoke. Sanjaya Uvacha. Etrat Shrutva Vachanam Kesavasya Kritanjali Vepamana Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Evaha Krishna Jagat Kadam Bhita Bhita Pranamya. Arjuna Uvacha. Slokam number 36. Arjuna said, Rishikesa, all the worlds revel in talking and hearing about your glory and immerse in the heart touching blissless gifts. All the world, they revel in talking and hearing about your glory and immerse in the heart-filling bliss this gives. The demonic people run scared in all directions on hearing about your glory though, while all the siddhas worship you. This is only apt. Sthane Arjuna Uvacha. Sthane Rishikesa Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prakshyate Anurajyate Cha Rakshamsi Bhitani Disoho Dravanti Sarve Namasyanti Cha Siddha Sangaha. Arjuna Uvacha. Sthane Rishikesa Tava Prakirtya Jagat Prakrishyate Anurajyate Cha Rakshamsi Bhitani Diso Dravanti Sarve Namasyanti Cha Siddha Sangaha. Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said, Rishikesa, Tava Prakirtya, Tava your Prakirtya, the glories and the stories and the leelas of the Lord, of Bhagavan, that are not only endless, but also that never satisfy you. You want more and more of it. That is prakirtya, and to listening and hearing and talking about your glories and stories. Jagate, the whole world, prahrishyati, are very happy. Prahrishyati, it's not just mere happiness. It is very blissful. Okay. Anurajyate cha, they also become, again, anurajyate is also another form of happiness, happiness and bliss. Anurajyate cha. Rakshamsi, the various demons, the demonic tendencies, not also demonic, people with demonic tendencies are demons. So, Rakshamsi, various Rakshasas, Bhitani, being afraid. Okay. Disaha, in various directions, Dravanti, they run away, they rush. Because when you utter Bhagavan's name, automatically all the demonic impulses run away instantly. There's no more anger, there's no more hatred, there is no more desire, there is no more ego. Then when you're listening to Bhagavan's stories and getting yourself immersed in it, automatically all these things run away. Okay, so Rakshamsi, Bhitani, Diso Dravanti. Not only that, while they do that, what happens to Siddha Sangaha, the groups of Siddhas, Sarve Siddha Sangacha, all groups of Siddhas, Namasyanti, they worship you. Sthane, this is apt. This is only apt. It should be only like this. This is apt, he says. Because having seen a glimpse of what Bhagavan is, right? Arjuna uvacha sthane rishikesa tava prakirtya jagat prasishyat anurajyate cha rakshamsi bhitani diso dravanti sarve namasyanti cha siddha sanghaha. Slokam number 37. Mahatma, Ananta, Devesa, Jagannivasa, you are the primal cause and are greater than Brahma. Why would they not worship you? You are indestructible. You are both what is and what is not. You are also beyond all these. Kasmachate na namerane mahatmane gariyase brahmanopyadi kartre ananta devesa jagannivasa svam aksharam sadasat tatparam yat. Sadasat tatparam yat. Kasmachate na nameran mahatman gariyase brahmanopyadi kartre ananta devesa jagannivasa tvam aksharam sadasat tatparam yat. Padangal are Kasmat cha te na namerane mahatmane gariyase brahmana api adi kartre ananta devesa jagannivasa tvam aksharam sat asat tat param yate. Mahatman, Bhagavan is the only Mahatma, is only Bhagavan. Everybody else, it's all human appointed appellations and titles we can give ourselves. But Mahatma applies only to Bhagavan. Mahatma, he addresses him. Then Ananta, that means infinite, there is no limit. Ananta, Devesa, we saw that yesterday again, Devesa, Jagannivasa, because he is able to see Bhagavan doing nivasam in all the jagat, being present in everything, right? Coming from personal experience now. No more hearing thing. It's coming from personal experience. Jagannivasa, Brahmanaha api, even more than Brahma. Gariyase, you are greater. You're greater in the sense, not in a magnitude. You are superior. You are bigger. Gariyase. Adi kartre cha, Adi kartre, you are the primal cause of everything. Te, to you, kasmatu, why na nameran, not do worship, why will they not worship you? Okay, kasmatu, na nameran, okay. Aksharam, you are the indestructible. Sat, asat, sat, you are what is, asat, you are what is not. Not only that, Param yat, even beyond this, whatever is there, that is also tat, that also Tvam, you only. Kasmacha tena nameran mahatman gariyase brahmanopyadikartre ananta devesa jagannivasa swamaksharam sadasattatparam yat. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.